So if you haven't scheduled a home inspection yet, go shopping. But don't buy anything. Keep your money in your pocket. That's what Energy does really well. It helps you save money. So we have an e-commerce partner, Inspector Outlet, and they sell free stuff. So get some free marketing stuff. Get a ton of free marketing products at this shop. Click the link, and I'll show you the free stuff. So there's a free buyback guarantee, a free lanyard, a monster-free certificate. So you can tell the kids that there are no monsters in the home or in this room. And if you go to Inspector Outlet and scroll down on the left side, you click free, and there's some free stuff in there. And there's also free stickers and patches and logos and things like and decals. So go shopping, get some free stuff.